for the castle. They wanna make me look mean. Oldness, taking on the fullness. I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed straight for the castle.
Hi pumpkins! Welcome back to another Trendy Talloween video. I hope you all enjoyed seeing me work my magic while decorating our home for Halloween this year. I know it was a little bit short, but don't worry, I have more Halloween content coming up this Thursday. If you guys are new here today, don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more Trendy Talloween videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a chilling night. I'll see you next time. Bye!